New tutorial, guys. In today's video, I'm excited to share a brand new update that will pay you massively. This is Naira update. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, I remain your one and only legit update. I show you tips and teach you how to make money online with just your smartphone. This update is just new, and mind you, this is Naira update. If you are just coming across the video, make sure you register on it and start making money massively on it. So if you are just coming across my video, so this is the update why pandom. So if you click the link on the comment section, it will take you directly to your Chrome. So you register, put your real name, phone number, Gmail address, then password, then login. If you log in, this is how the interface will look like. When you log in, they will give you a commission of 4,000 naira. So what we are going to do in this update is two things: either you refer or you read news and earn money. So you see, referral bonus is 700 naira. So if you any tax they give you, you are going to earn 700 naira. So let's come on this tax. So you see, this is the tax available right now. Read the instruction very well. They say visit the blog and read the entire content carefully. Remain on the page until the site redirect you automatically. Leaving earlier will make you ineligible for the reward. So if you click on start, it will take you directly to the news. So you see, this is the news. The only thing you need to do is just make sure you are scrolling a little bit, or you can leave it, but the most important thing, make sure you scroll small. So once you reach the time, they will bring you back. So let's wait a little bit before they redirect us to the main dashboard. So let's wait a little bit. You will see the next thing you need to do. Make sure you don't go back. Wait for the website to redirect you. So as you can see, tax confirm, 750 has been credited to your account. So click on back to dashboard. So when you click on back to dashboard, you see the available balance has increased. So this is how you do every day. Make sure I'm going to show you a referral. I'm going to show a withdrawal proof at the end of this video. So if you come on this withdraw, this is where you can withdraw your earning. Choose the amount, account number, account name, bank name, account name, then you submit your withdrawal. So that's all. Then they will pay you as in at least before 24 hours. You will see your money in the account. So let me show you the withdrawal proof that people have been withdrawing on it. So as you can see here, this is a withdrawal of 79,950 naira. Another one here is a withdrawal of 74,750 naira. All with this update. If you take this update serious, you are going to make a little bit of money, but make sure you join it in time, and don't forget to join my WhatsApp community link for more updates like this, so that anytime an update stop paying like this, I will notify you. There's one thing I want you guys to know about this Naira update: they don't normally stay long. Once people join it, their money finish, they will now run and leave you people just there doing tax without making any money. So to avoid wasting your time and your data, make sure you join my WhatsApp community link, so that anytime I drop a perfect update like this, when they stop paying, I will notify you guys. So I remain the one and only legit update. Make sure you subscribe, share, like the video, share it to your friends, join my WhatsApp community link. I leave you guys in peace. Wish you good luck. Let's make this money together.